In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a bot from a Google chat space. If you've added a bot to help with reminders, polls, or updates and it's no longer needed, cleaning it up keeps your conversations focused and your notifications under control. I'll walk you through the exact path to remove it, and I'll share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, open Google Chat. You can do this in your browser or through the desktop or mobile app. The experience is very similar, and the key is simply getting into the chat environment where your spaces live. Give it a moment to load your recent conversations. Next, go to the space where the bot is currently active. A space is just a group chat where your team or group collaborates. You'll find your spaces listed on the left side, or you can use the search bar to quickly jump to the right one. Open that space so you can see the conversation thread. At the top of the space, click the space name. This is the title that appears in the header area of the conversation. Clicking it opens the Space Details panel, which is where you manage members, settings, and connected tools. Inside the Space Details, look for Apps and Integrations and click it. This section is dedicated to anything that's been added to the space to extend its functionality. It's where bots and other connected services are listed, so this is the place to manage them. Under the Apps section, find the bot you want to remove. You might recognize it by its icon or name. Common examples include Reminder or Task bots. If you're not sure which one is posting messages, scroll through the space conversation and note the bot's name, then match it here. Taking a moment to confirm you've got the right bot helps avoid removing something your team still needs. When you've identified the bot, click Remove from Space. This action disconnects the bot from the space, so it stops posting messages and responding to commands here. Your existing chat history remains intact. You're just removing the app's access going forward. If you don't see the option, it may be due to your role in the space. Some spaces limit app management to space managers, so you might need to ask a manager to complete the removal. That's it. You've opened Google Chat, navigated to your space, opened the space details, gone to Apps and Integrations, identified the correct bot, and removed it from the space. Keeping your spaces free of unneeded bots helps reduce noise and keeps your team focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.